Hey guys, Abdullah here. I'm a little bit sick, so my voice is gone. I apologize. It's another day on the Mx5. So I've got the radiator cap that was missing. It's just a temporary fix for now. I'll get the original one sometime soon. And I've got the ECU in this bag. And the ABS unit. So I'll be pulling apart this ECU and also the ABS ECU, just looking if there's anything that I can fix inside. I'll give it a clean, maybe with thinners, or just give it a brush, and we'll see what else there is to do. But first I've got to have one thing which is very vital. Turkish tea. So this is what it looks like. You can see a little bit of rust on the edge. It's not too bad, but it's bad. Hoping for the best, so I'll just give it a bit of a clean and we'll see how it goes. And this is the ABS ECU. It's in better shape. Hopefully this works. So we're going to plug this in. I've just sprayed a bit of WD-40 into the slots to get them clean. And I've also got a battery. So we're going to plug in the ECU, plug in the battery, and just see what happens. I've put the ECU in. I'm trying to get it started, but I don't think we're getting a spark, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. So the ECU is in, ABS module is in. We're not getting a check engine light before we try to start it. So it seems the ECU is not reading. So that could be from the ECU, which is damaged, or which could be damaged from the water. It could also be that maybe one of the relays got fried when it had water in it. So I've really got to take a look and inspect the relays, and we'll take it from there. I did find the ECU repair guy somewhere nearby, so I might take the ECU and yeah, we'll get it checked out maybe. Besides, I might actually take the relays as well and yeah, get him to check them out, and worst case we'll order new relays from Mazda. Thanks for watching everyone. Please subscribe to see the next episodes of the Mx5 build.